Hi guys, so today we are gonna make my own shake. So here's the blender and the mangoes and the sugar. Where's water? A little bit.
No, more.
More. All.
More.
Here we go.
Okay.
Now.
Milk. Okay.
Now we got the blend.
Close.
Close it. So it's like this.
Go.
Now we got. We're done. Now, can we add more sugar?
Taste mo na.
It looks like orange juice.
Sarap. Say bye. See you for the next vlog.
Bye bye. See you.